Hey, in this video, we will be reviewing the best investment locations outside central Bangkok. As a Bangkok agency, we tend to focus quite a bit on the central business district. So we do tend to have a bias for the prime areas of the city. However, as investors or buyers, you may have noticed that the center has become increasingly expensive. At present, in some of the best areas of the capital, you are looking at 170 to 180,000 baht plus per square meter. So for a small one bed of about 35 square meters, you are looking at a price tag of around 5 to 6 million baht. So you may be wondering, are there any other areas in the capital where you can get a little bit more for your money? And you must be wondering, are there areas where you could potentially make more capital appreciation and higher rental yields? In this video, we will be reviewing hot areas within the capital that are showing great investment potential. So Bangkok is obviously a huge city with literally hundreds of neighborhoods. So in this video, we will focus on 4 specific areas. It is important to know that these areas are developing for a variety of reasons. Reasons that include 1, proximity to the central business district. Others, they might be developing because they are seeing some mass transit extensions. And others is just gentrification. They're seeing mega mixed-use projects going up, and these areas are becoming mini business centers within the capital. So if we look at the BTS map here, you will see all the prime areas, the central business district in red, and our 4 areas in orange. So the 4 areas which we will be reviewing in this video are in East Bangkok. We have Phra Khanong On Nut, followed by Punnawithi Bangna. Up in North Bangkok, we have Chit-Phahon Yothin. And finally, in West Bangkok, across the river, we have Thonburi-Wongwian Yai. So each area has a different character and offers different investment opportunities. So we will review each area one by one. Starting off with one of my favorite, Phra Khanong On Nut. This is an area that has been in trend for several years now. The reason is very, very simple. It is located in close proximity to the central business district. So a lot of working professionals that have offices based in Asok, for example, tend to live in Phra Khanong On Nut. It has become a very, very popular commuter residential hub. The second thing about Phra Khanong On Nut is the lifestyle is very, very convenient and very pleasant. On Nut, I believe, currently has 2 supermarkets, Tesco Lotus and Big C. It's just welcomed a new mall, Century Mall, the movie plaza. And Phra Khanong has obviously just welcomed the Summerhill Community Mall. Finally, this convenience has translated into great residential development. So there are a lot of condos to choose from. At present, in terms of the price in On Nut, you are looking at between 100 to 150,000 baht per square meter for resale properties. And in terms of the rental yields, you are looking at a comfortable 4.5 to 5.5% rental yield. Let's look at the next area. Up next, we have Punnawithi Bangna. Again, there has been a lot of hype surrounding this area for a variety of reasons. The first is really the area is really gentrifying. It's really developing. There are a lot of mixed-use mega projects going up in that neighborhood. So first here, in Punnawithi, the Wisdom 101 has just been completed. Wisdom 101 is a mixed-use project with offices, condos, and a shopping mall. And it is touted to be a future startup and digital tech hub for the capital. If we look at Bangna, there are a lot of mixed-use projects going up. There's the Bangkok Mall, and there is the Forestias by MQDC, which will be huge mixed-use projects. It is also important to note that Bangna is already a bit of a commercial and business hub. It currently hosts BITEC Bangna, which is one of the top trade and convention halls in the city. So a lot of the trade and exhibitions take place in Bangna. When we look at East Bangkok, it is the area of the capital that is located closest to the eastern seaboard. So all the industrial parks in Thonburi that are located in East Thailand are all conveniently located next to East Bangkok. So the area is essentially a very important commercial gateway to the EEC, so the Eastern Economic Corridor. Finally, with time, the area is slowly developing a good level of condominium options. It has a lot of new projects that have gone up in recent years. I would say in terms of the prices, you are looking on a resale market at around 100 to 150,000 baht per square meter. But there are some developers and some newer projects that are going above that level, priced between 150 to around 180,000 baht per square meter. So let's go to the third area of this video. Up next, we have Chit-Phahon Yothin. This is located in North Bangkok. And the reason this area is developing really fast and shows a lot of investment potential is for one big reason. It's the Bang Sue Grand Station. If you haven't heard of the Bang Sue Grand Station, basically it is the railway terminal for all the rail links across Thailand. On top of this, there are several high-speed rail links that are under construction that will possibly eventually link up to other Southeast Asian countries. And there are plans for it to link up to China's One Belt, One Road initiative. So this could become a trans-ASEAN railway station. So a very, very important transport hub for the city. The second thing is the area is extremely convenient. It has recently welcomed extensions of the BTS and MRT, and it currently hosts an interchange. So people on the BTS line can change to the MRT line and vice versa. So it's very, very easy for residents to connect to central Bangkok from Chit-Phahon Yothin. Finally, compared to central Bangkok, the area is very, very laid back. It has a very relaxed lifestyle. It has the Chatuchak weekend market in that neighborhood, and it is usually very popular with working professionals and with young families. So it's really laid back compared to the hustle and bustle of central Bangkok. And now for the final area, we have Thonburi-Wongwian Yai across the river. So traditionally, the area across the river hasn't developed as fast because it was usually harder to get to that area. So it was a more old-fashioned, slower to develop neighborhood. But what's really put this area in the spotlight in recent years is the completion of Icon Siam, a super luxury mall. And it's really highlighted the potential of this area. Another thing to note is Thonburi-Wongwian Yai is welcoming several super luxury residences On the top of my head, I believe there's the Banyan Tree residences that have just been completed. There is the Mandarin Oriental residences. There is the Magnolia Waterfront residences. And all these condo projects are extremely expensive. For these branded residences, the Mandarin Oriental and the Banyan Tree, I believe prices are going at over 300,000 baht per square meter. And these projects have been reporting very good take-up rates. So there is potential for this area to become a very expensive and exclusive area. The final reason why this area is really picking up is it just has such a beautiful scenic environment. Water soothes the soul. It has something that center of Bangkok like Sukhumvit or Silom Sathorn doesn't have. It has this relaxed, laid back, very beautiful vibe that you can't get anywhere else in the city. So that is really a big factor in its development. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I know it was a lot of information to take in. I will include more resources in the description box below. If you are looking to buy, please think of us, Fresh Property. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. We'll have more Bangkok real estate videos in the future. Thank you very much.